In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with breakpoints in Wix Studio. Whether you're designing a new website or just tweaking an existing one, understanding breakpoints is essential for making your site look and perform its best across various devices. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Wix Studio. If you're not familiar, Wix Studio is the platform's design interface where you can customize the look and feel of your website. Once you're in the studio, you'll notice a toolbar on the left side, which is key to navigating and making changes efficiently. Now, direct your attention to the top toolbar and locate the Desktop option. Clicking on this will simulate how your website appears on a desktop screen. This is crucial because a large portion of your audience will view your site using desktop computers. Here, you can adjust elements by dragging, resizing, or tweaking content to ensure it looks clean and professional. Next, click on the tablet option right next to desktop. By doing this, you'll switch your view to simulate a tablet screen, a format that many users will access. The goal here is to ensure that text is readable and images are scaled appropriately. Often, what works on a desktop might not translate well to a tablet, so it's important to make the necessary adjustments. Moving along, the mobile option is next. After selecting it, you'll see how your site appears on a mobile device. With more people browsing on their phones than ever before, optimizing for mobile is no longer optional. It's a necessity. It's the perfect time to check if buttons are easy to tap with a finger and if all content is visible without needing to scroll too much. Now that you've been through different views, it's time to click on the PX icon, which serves as the pixel measurement tool. It's located on the right-hand side of your toolbar. This allows you to set a custom width in pixels just by typing it in, giving you precise control over your design. Maybe you've pinpointed an unconventional device size, or you have specific layout needs. Feel free to enter your desired size. Once you've entered your new editing size, hover over to the Apply button. Clicking Apply will lock in your changes. This ensures your design adapts smoothly to any screen size, keeping user experience consistent and aesthetically pleasing. With these steps, you have now tailored your website to be responsive and visually appealing across desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. Practice these adjustments as needed and continue fine-tuning to achieve optimal results. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you feel more confident navigating Wix Studio's breakpoints. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow guides. Happy designing!